As Botswana heads to the polls, let us look at Botswana's pivotal election and what is at stake. We will also look at what current president says, if re-elected, in terms of immigration policy and how it will affect cost of living in the country. We'll also talk about the current presidential debate and who impressed you most in that debate. These and many we will be discussing in today's segment. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Like, comment, share this video. Let us dive in.
Hello, family of Lorato. Thank you all for your support. I am grateful for everything. We have 2,000 and more subscribers. Congratulations to all of us. We are on another journey to 3,000 subscribers. Together, let us make this channel your favorite Botswana channel. On YouTube, the bigger the audience, the bigger the guests we will bring to the channel to answer your question. So keep on subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. So Botswana is gearing up for a crucial national election on October 30th, and it is going to be a game changer. President Mokgweetsi Masisi is the favorite to secure the second term, but the competition is fierce. Let us dive into the key players and what is at stake. And let's look at President Masisi. President Masisi, who took office in 2018, is seeking re-election. A former school teacher and UNICEF worker, Masisi has focused on tackling high unemployment and economic challenges. What is his big win? One, negotiating a new sales deal with DBS, giving Botswana a larger share of its diamond wealth. The second one is his popular mantra, mindset change, which he believes is a big push for transformational development. His critics say he has not done enough to diversify the economy and create jobs. Some also say mindset change without policy change is no change. Plus, his relationship with former President Khama has turned sour, with Khama backing an opposition party. Let us look at Duma Boko. Duma Boko, a 54-year-old lawyer, is running for the third time as a leader of the Umbrella for Democratic Change, UDC. Boko's manifesto calls for a more government intervention in the economy to achieve social development and sustainable growth.
Poverty is a location of disadvantage and vulnerability.
Despite challenging the last election result as fraudulent, the High Court dismissed the case. Dumelang Saleshando is another candidate. Dumelang, 53, leads the Botswana Congress Party, BCP, founded in 1998. The BCP has historically garnered between 10% to 20% of votes in the past election. He took over the party leadership from his father in 2010. The BCP is campaigning under the motto Save Botswana, describe itself as having social democratic principles. Mephato Reatile. So this man heads the Botswana Patriotic Front, BPF, a party formed in 2019 by members of the ruling party who followed Ian Khama after his fallout with Masisi. Khama, whose father, President Khama, was Botswana's founding president, has returned from 3 years in exile to support the BPF in the election. The BPF secured about 4% of the votes in the 2019 election. Let us look at the election dynamics. So what is going to happen is that voters will elect the National Assembly members who will then select the president. This election is crucial for Botswana's political landscape, with the BDP's long-standing dominance being challenged by a more confident opposition. The outcome will determine the direction of Botswana's economic policies and its approach to governance in the coming years. Since Masisi is likely to be given the second term, this is what he said about the cost of living and immigration policies. He plans to implement a new immigration policy that includes a free movement agreement with Zimbabwe, aimed at benefiting cross-border traders and reducing irregular migration. This agreement is expected to boost trade and provide economic benefit to both countries. On the cost of living front, Masisi administration is facing criticism for not diversifying the economy enough. leading to high unemployment rates and economic challenges. The ruling Botswana Democratic Party promised to focus on diversifying Botswana's economy to reduce its heavy reliance on diamond mining and address the rising cost of living. There was such a lovely presidential debate last week. What actually happened? Let us give you the key takeaways from the debate. So President Masisi defended his economic record, emphasizing that despite the downturn in the diamond market, the economic fundamentals remain intact. He highlighted his administration's achievement, including the new contract with De Beers and lifting the ban on elephant hunting to benefit rural communities. Duma Boko criticized Masisi's economic management, pointing out the high unemployment rate and pledging to more than double the minimum wage and increase social grants when given the opportunity. Dumelang and Mephato also presented their vision, with Reatile focusing on the need for political change and greater economic diversification. Stay tuned for more updates as Botswana heads to the polls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest election news. Till we come your way, have a wonderful day. Peace.